Our business is evolving all of the time. The industry is changing, technology advances, change expectations that our customers have. So having a partnership with a company that can help evolve with those changes is critical.
They've helped our organization grow in a lot of ways. More of the clients today in the environment are moving back to variable zero touch, and they're able to provide that because of their backbone and their depot service centers. So it's helped us grow, and it's given us a broader perspective, and it's actually interjected into our portfolio of services.
Flash's import and export services has allowed FireEye to really expand our install base globally. Initially, FireEye was not able to meet our customer expectations around the globe, so Flash has given us that ability to do that.
The very keen thing about Flash is that they are so flexible. And as our business grows, and actually as we acquire companies or businesses, Flash is very flexible and able to work with us on redesigning process, whether it be distribution, inventory management, warehousing, repair and screening. They're able to modify processes for us to accommodate whatever change we have in our business.
So by utilizing all of the services that Flash offers, they've enabled us to go ahead and venture into new countries, into new regions.
We love working with Flash because ultimately there's one person to contact, there's one place to go, and it is truly a global organization, and you don't have to deal with different people in different countries and different regions. You get it done with one phone call or one email.